Welcome to AI for Beginners. I'm excited to guide you through this video course. Over the next 15 modules, we'll demystify AI, show you how to use it, and help you determine if a career in this field is right for you. Let's get started. This course is built for students and job seekers, not engineers. You don't need any prior coding or math background. We focus on plain language explanations, hands-on practice, and building a clear career roadmap. What is intelligence versus AI? Human intelligence adapts through experience. Artificial intelligence is software that finds statistical patterns in data. It doesn't understand anything. It's just advanced math. You likely already use AI every day. From streaming recommendations and maps to spam filters, face unlock, and autocorrect, AI is embedded in the software you rely on constantly. Why is AI booming now? It's the convergence of three forces: more data, more compute power, and better, more efficient algorithms. These elements combine to make today's breakthroughs practical. The growth is massive. Over 100 million people used ChatGPT within its first 2 months. Today, nearly every major software product includes some AI features, making it a rapidly growing skill category for job seekers. AI is reshaping every industry, from faster drug discovery in healthcare to fraud detection in finance, personalized learning in education, safer transportation, and creative content tools in entertainment. AI literacy is becoming a baseline expectation for your career, similar to spreadsheet skills years ago. This course ensures you have the fluency to use these tools effectively and speak confidently in interviews. Our journey is divided into 4 parts. We start with foundations, move into how AI works, explore practical applications including building a model, and finish with real-world careers and ethics. You won't need expensive software. All you need is a web browser and a free account with Google Colab and an AI chatbot like ChatGPT or Claude to follow along. To get the most out of this video course, practice alongside the coding modules, pause to guess the answers yourself, rewatch the harder lessons, and keep a glossary of new terms. By the end, you'll be able to clearly explain AI concepts, write basic Python, build simple models, write effective prompts, and identify your preferred career path. To recap Module 1, AI is pattern-finding software, not a thinking machine. It's already part of your life, driven by data, compute, and algorithms, and it's a vital modern career skill. Up next, we'll dive into Module 2, a brief history of AI. We'll cover the Turing test, the AI winters, and the breakthroughs that led us to where we are today. Ready to begin? Great. See you in the next video for our deep dive into the history of AI.